Hi, I'm Larry Neal, manager of Rig Gold Mine, back underground again to talk about lighting. When they started first underground mining in the 1830s and 1840s, they obviously didn't have electricity. So what would they use to see with? And the answer is candles. They would have beeswax or tallow candles made, and the miners would place them in what are called tommy sticks, which could be specifically driven into the rock wall to hold the candles to light. But not only that, they could take the candles themselves and place on their hats to see with. But a candle only gives about 3 to 5 foot circle of light to see with. So they would have to have these candles driven into the rock about every 3 to 5 feet to do their work. The candles were the main source of light in the underground mine from the 1830s, believe it or not, all the way to the 1890s. Calcium carbide was actually discovered in the 1830s, but could not be economically developed for mining or other purposes until the 1890s. At that point, they developed and started using what are called carbide lamps. Calcium carbide and water, when mixed together, forms acetylene gas, which can be ignited. So they started creating these lamps like this in the 1890s to be attached to their hats to see with. And as you can see, it does give off fairly good, strong light. Now the carbide lamps were used in mining pretty much from the 1890s through the 1920s, when electricity began to be used in the mining industry throughout the United States.